We all love a good snack. But sometimes our favorite treats aren't so good for us. It's time to ditch the junk and fuel our bodies with healthy food. Choosing healthier snacks is like giving your body a big hug. Think of food as fuel. What kind of fuel do you want in your tank? Healthy food gives you energy to play, think clearly, and feel your best. It's all about making smart choices that make you feel amazing. Let's be honest, we all get cravings. Sometimes we just want that bag of chips or that sugary drink. But here's the thing, those cravings often come from habit. Our brains get used to the sugar rush and then crave it more. The good news is we can retrain our brains and taste buds. Start by swapping out one unhealthy snack a day for a healthier option. You might be surprised how quickly your cravings change. Delicious and guilt-free snacking. Ready for some tasty swaps? Ditch the chips and reach for a handful of almonds or some crunchy veggie sticks with hummus. Instead of sugary soda, try sparkling water with a squeeze of lemon or lime. Craving something sweet? Fruit is nature's candy. Berries, melon, or a crisp apple hit the spot. Even a small square of dark chocolate, 70% cocoa or higher, can satisfy your sweet tooth. Making healthier snack choices is like unlocking a superpower. You'll have more energy, think more clearly, and even sleep better. Plus, you're giving your body the nutrients it needs to thrive. Remember, small changes make a big difference. Start by swapping out one unhealthy snack a day and see how amazing you feel. You've got this. Now go out there and explore the world of delicious and healthy snacking.